Hi everyone! Today I'm here to show you how to use USB PD TDMP and DP-AUX DMP analysis software on Teledyne LeCroy oscilloscopes. These options provide unmatched validation and debugging capability for USB power delivery and DisplayPort aux signals over the USB Type-C connector, including sideband triggering, simultaneous signal decoding, and physical layer measurements. Sideband TDMP options are available on 12-bit WavePro HD Series oscilloscopes featuring industry-leading resolution and record length, as well as high-performance oscilloscopes up to 65 GHz. Sideband and USB data signals up to 20 gigabits per second can be captured simultaneously. USB PD triggering is accessed through the trigger menu by selecting Serial USB PD Setup. The trigger is set to trigger on channel 1 where the CC1 signal is probed. Trigger types supported are preamble, ordered set, control message, data message, resets, and errors. In this case, let's trigger on the PS Ready message. The oscilloscope is triggered when the PS Ready message occurs on channel 1. USB PD analysis is accessed through the analysis menu, where Decode 1 can be turned on to decode the CC1 signal, which has been set up in the Decode Setup menu. In the USB PD decode table, you can scroll down and select the PS Ready packet at the trigger point to get a better view of the PS Ready packet. In this case, PS Ready is coming from the downward facing port. Now let's look at the physical layer characteristics of the PS Ready packet by clicking Enable. Measurements and the BMC eye diagram are displayed. In this case, mask failures are found on the DFP because it is probed on the receiver side of the link. If we scroll down and click on the UFP, the eye measured at the transmitter passes. In the USB PD eye tab, the mask can be changed from transmitter to receiver at neutral, sourcing, or syncing power states, and tested for conformance to the PD specification. DP-AUX analysis is similarly accessed through the analysis menu. In this case, the differential aux signal is probed using a differential probe, and the SBU signals using channel 4, and the DP-AUX eye is shown to pass the eye test. In addition to Oscilloscope TDMP tools, Teledyne LeCroy is also the market leader in power delivery, USB, and DisplayPort protocol compliance testers. For more information and videos on Teledyne LeCroy's USB physical and protocol testing over the USB Type-C connector, visit us at teledynelecroy.com/USB-C.